What's up everybody and welcome back. My name is Munir, also known as the cleanest man on earth. That's right, it's me. And today I'm coming to you from my man cave, my office. I just wanted to make a little bit of a different video without any preparation or bullet points. I just wanted to talk about some things that came up. For the past couple of weeks, I've been thinking about a lot of things. I'm thinking about the 9 to 5 that I used to have and also all the journey that I've been through all the way to now. And it's just truly amazing to see all the progress and also the love that I have for this process, right? It's all my videos. I have this little book. Now they might be different books, but they're about the same size, and in these books I write what I wanted to do, what I want to do. I kind of use it as a personal journal, and I write a lot of things. So I went back into the books and I was reading how I was feeling and different things that I wanted to accomplish, and I noticed that I left a lot of things on the side. I shelved a lot of ideas that I wanted to do, and it's kind of not good because I want to be able to do everything that I want to do. We only have one life. We have 24 hours in a day. I don't want to waste a lot of time. I want to do things properly and I want to generate money. But at the same time, money is not my main motivation. My motivation is pretty much to generate as much money from different sources as possible. I want to be able to have at least 10 sources of income within the next 5 years. The way I set it up is I try to work an hour or two in different projects, and I try to stay passionate with all of them because sometimes it gets really hard. Sometimes I just deviate my passion from one thing to another. Example, I really wanted to open an e-commerce. Now, e-commerce business, I actually opened a website like in 2012, and it was in the vaping industry, and I wish I had continued because I had my website almost laid down and I decided to just give up. And I don't know why I decided to give up. The website looked really good for its time and not a lot of people were doing it, and also the vaping industry just started and I could have banked on it. And today I'm like, God damn. And the only thing I don't want in my life is to regret things. And so I decided that I'm gonna do absolutely everything that comes up to my mind. If I want to sell bananas on the streets, I am gonna sell them. Like, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm not selling bananas, but what I'm doing is I'm writing down a plan of me doing different things. So my main business is in the dry cleaning business. Of course, I'm always going to look at these like my babies. They're my stores. I love them and I always cater to them. I'm in the second store right now and I love what I'm doing, but I also want to do some online business, right? I want to be able to generate money online passively, just like, let's say, affiliate marketing. I love reading and I love writing, and one of the things that I really wanted to do is to open a blog. I had a blog that was generating about 20,000 views a month that I kind of capitalized a little bit on with affiliate marketing through Amazon, but it wasn't enough money. And also I tried eBay as well, affiliate marketing through eBay. It wasn't that much money, it was like 60 bucks a day, but the problem is I quit too early. So that's the second thing that I quit too early. And then after that, I told myself I'm never quitting anything. And when I'm doing something, I'm gonna put a little bit of time every single day on it. It's gonna be consecutive little bit of work every single day. Stay consistent. I can prove to myself that if I put the effort, I might make some money with it. So I decided to share this video because I know a lot of you guys are struggling with that too. I mean, I'm not the only one that just starts something, gives up, or just thinks of an idea and give up. And of course, that was the old me. The new me is all about pushing hard, getting motivated, and continuing pushing every single day. Because when I saw the dry cleaning business being successful, making good revenue, then I decided that whatever time that I'm gonna put, I'm also gonna have the equivalence in revenue. And so that's what I'm doing. Before making any type of money, you need to work at it. So the Shopify business, I just started. I'm working on it about an hour or two a day. And then I'm also writing up a little blog. What I'm doing at the moment is that I'm writing as many articles as possible, banking them in a hard drive. So like that, when I have my website and it's officially done, I'm able to post like 365 articles, one a day. That's gonna be pre-prepared, all ready for posting. So all I have to do is schedule them, make sure the meta tags are there, make sure that my SEO is on point, and just throwing it out there. And even if it doesn't work, I'm having fun writing these articles and I'm having fun understanding how SEO works, how Google works, and it's just a great adventure. Same thing with Shopify. I'm just learning as much as possible. I'm doing my research as much as possible, and I don't want to be that guy that's like, hey, Shopify works and I've sold thousands of dollars. What I want to do is I want to try it for myself, and that's what the point of this video is. If you have an idea, just try it. Why not? Give it a shot, try it, see if it works, but give it your all. Don't half-ass it just like I did in 2012. You have to prioritize your life. And so if you think that this venture is actually going to bring you some money, then prioritize it. Forget about the drinks and the pubs and all that. Just put that into your life. Make a schedule, make a calendar, make sure that you are scheduled, that you know what you're doing the whole day, all the way to you going to bed. And also, by trying different things, what you're doing is you're opening up yourself to a lot of doors, which you don't even realize you're doing until you are offered a job, until you are offered a position or just a gig, right? Example, I started to learn how to code and how to create websites just like that because I wanted to, and also because I didn't want to pay $4,000 for a website. And now I get people coming up to me like, yo, can you do my website? And I thought about it the other day, and I think that my marketing agency is also going to flourish in a couple of years, but I need to do my research and I have to be a professional. Being a professional is what separates the amateur from the pros. You have to be a pro, and I don't want to be the guy that tells you I know how to do this and that and then go on Google to do it. No, I want to learn it for myself, for my own websites, for my own marketing, and when I see that it works and I can rinse and repeat, then I can sell it. Don't be the guy that learns how to do WordPress and then starts a website marketing agency or website builder agency. What you have to do is you have to be a pro, know what you're doing, know what you're gonna do, and then sell that aspect of yourself. This all comes up to regret at the end of the day. Do you want to regret not trying all the things that came up? Are you trying to make money? If yes, then try it. Even if you have to put the money into it. Let's say you have to put $1,000 a month on Google ads in order for your store to work, then find $1,000 a month. Sell stuff, resell stuff, provide a service or a product in order for you to generate money. Just do it. Money is out there. There's all kinds of money everywhere. All you have to do is find that idea. We have to stop with excuses, and we have to stop destroying our lives with using our time in a stupid way, like watching Netflix all night or just hanging out at the pub and drinking and drinking contests and all that stuff. You have to be smarter than the others, because at the end of the day, all these other people are going to be the people that are going to buy your product, that are going to buy your service. So be the smart person and not the sheep. Control your life, control your destiny. You are in control. Right now, what you're doing with your time is valuable. That is money. And I'm not trying to say that I'm better than other people. Absolutely not. I'm on a journey, I'm on a road, and I love the process, and I love learning, and I love meeting new people and networking. And what I'm doing is I'm taking all the stuff that I've learned and that I'm learning, and I'm pushing it on YouTube in order for people to be like, damn, that's me, or I recognize myself in that. Then we can share and we can create groups, and that's my dream. I want to create Facebook groups, and I want to create all kinds of platforms in order for us to help each other make money, in order for us to be the best people in society, people that actually bring value to life. And by bringing value to customers, bringing value to your society, you are being a better person yourself. You are closing that gap, that void in your heart, because we all gonna ask ourselves this question: what am I doing here? What is my purpose? And at the end of the day, that's the void that absolutely everybody is trying to close. Everybody in this world is trying to figure out what their purpose is. But most people are sleeping on Netflix shows, on drinking, on girls, on showing their booty online, all that stuff. They don't know exactly what they want. They don't know how to ask themselves these questions. They don't know how to look for the answers of these questions, and therefore they are broken. What we're trying to do is stand on a position to be strong in order to let ourselves know that we are doing what we need to do in order to figure out what our purpose is. And once we figure it out, then we're able to fulfill ourselves with love around the world. And again, I know I'm sounding like a hippie CEO or whatever. But the point is, it's true. A lot of us are asking ourselves this question. What is our purpose? I hope you enjoyed this video with no structure. Comment below. Do you know what your purpose is? If you do, let us know. Share. Let's talk. Let's have a conversation. Subscribe to the channel, and if you like this type of video, smash the like button so I can make a few freestyle videos. Until next time, guys.